This is a 2016 Chevy Trax, and we are removing the wiper switch. Next we have to remove the top cover right here. Release it on both sides. Next we have to pop this little cover off that is near the ignition key. Okay, we got it. There it is. Now the switch is held in by these little retainers on the bottom right here and the top. And we'll push those in right there. I'll put my thumb on it right there. Oh, right there. Okay, that clicked in. And then we got one here on the bottom. Push that in, and that will release our switch. Now we can pull it out of the stock just like that. And what we have left is the electrical connector on the back. Now we'll just push the button on the electrical connector and remove it just like that. Now the directional switch is the same procedure as the wiper switch. So that's all there is to removing a wiper directional switch on your Chevy Trax.